Hello friends, today we'll discuss questions related to the passage that is being given in this particular video. So before we start, I would like to say that there are certain instructions you need to follow. So we have provided the passage in the description, okay, because it's quite difficult to provide it in one slide in the video because it will appear too small to read. Okay, this is the sole reason why I provided the passage in the description section. So what you have to do is to read the passage and then try to answer the questions that we have provided in the next couple of slides. I'll wait for a couple of seconds after dictating the question, and then I will reveal the correct answer. So what you have to do is to read the passage that is in the description, and then we'll try to answer the question. So also you need to remember that you don't actually revisit the particular passage again and again, because if you keep on visiting the passage again and again, that will not actually improve your efficiency. So try to read the passage once or twice and answer all the questions. Okay, don't keep on revisiting the passage. That won't actually help you to improve your reading speed. So I hope you are done with the passage. Now let us take you to the question section. Good luck. So the first question is, why did Sheila and Jairam decide to sell the cow? I repeat the question, why did Sheila and Jairam decide to sell the cow? There are 5 options as you can see, and you have to decide the correct one. I'll wait for a couple of seconds and then I will reveal the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option A. They had spent all their money on Jairam's sickness and needed more money. So moving to the next question. Why was Jairam reluctant to sell the rabbit? I repeat, why was Jairam reluctant to sell the rabbit? Again, there are 5 options and you have to decide the correct one. So the correct answer of this question is option A. He only pretended to be reluctant in order to fool the bullies. I hope you all have got the correct answer. So moving to the third question. Which of the following may be an appropriate title to the passage? All may look appropriate, but you have to choose the most appropriate one. So the correct answer of this question is option A, magic in the air. Moving to the fourth question. What did Sheila do after reaching the market empty-handed? Repeat, what did Sheila do after reaching the market empty-handed? Again, you are provided with 5 options. You have to choose the most appropriate one. So the correct answer of this question is option B. She returned home dejected and narrated the whole incident to her husband. So moving to the next question. What did 4 bullies tied to Sheila's rope immediately after untying the cow? You need to recall, what did 4 bullies tie to Sheila's rope immediately after untying the cow? So the correct answer of this question is option D, a goat. Moving to the sixth question. Why were the 4 bullies surprised when they were talking to Jairam? Let me repeat the question. Why were the 4 bullies surprised when they were talking to Jairam? Again, you are provided with 5 options. So the correct answer of this question is option C. They could not believe that the rabbit could understand and obey Jairam. Moving to the next question. What did the 4 bullies see when they reached Jairam's house? I repeat, what did the 4 bullies see when they reached Jairam's house? So the correct answer of this question is option E. They saw that the same rabbit was sitting on the corner. So moving to the next question. Arrange the following incidents in a chronological order as they occurred in the passage. So you have to arrange this in chronological order. As you can see, there are 4 sentences and you have to arrange them in the correct order. So the correct answer of this question is option C, 1432. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is true according to the passage? Sorry, this is not the correct answer. You can see there are 5 options and you have to decide which one is true according to the passage. So the correct answer of this question is option B, Jairam asked Sheila to cook lunch for at least 4 people. Moving to the next question. What did the landlord do when the 4 bullies went to his house and yelled? I repeat, what did the landlord do when the 4 bullies went to his house and yelled? So the correct option of this question is option D. He ordered his strongest bodyguard to thrash them. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. The most similar word in meaning and the word is thrashing. You have to decide as per the passage, remember. So the correct answer of this question is option B, beating. It was quite easy. So moving to the 12th question. The most similar word in the meaning and the word is possession. So the correct answer of this question is option E, belonging. Moving to the 13th question. The most similar word in the meaning, vanished. Vanished is the word. And the correct answer is, of course, option A, gone missing. Moving to the 14th question. The most opposite word in the meaning, remember, it's opposite, not similar. And the word is agree. It's quite easy, I guess. So yes, the correct answer is option D, decline. Moving to the last question. The most opposite word in the meaning and the word is dejected. So the correct answer of this question is option A, happy. Now we will see the actual level of difficulty of this particular passage and also the performance meter, how you have performed in this particular test. So let us discuss about the level of difficulty of the passage. So it was quite easy. However, the passage was bit lengthy. You must not take more than 8 minutes, and remember, it should be including answering the questions. It shouldn't take more than 8 minutes. So let us go to the performance meter. So as you here you can see, if you got 15 correct answers, then that is an outstanding result. If you got in between 12 and 14, then it is close to acing the section. And if you get around 9 to in between 9 and 11 questions, then you need to work more on this section. However, if you have scored less than 9, then you need to practice a lot. Okay, you need to be good in this section. In order to be good in this section, I have always said that you need to read the newspapers on a daily basis and also read certain books, be it novel, fiction, or any other book. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this session. So do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.